Hello YouTube, so as you can see from the title, this is the unboxing of the two mentioned plaques. The total, including shitting and handling, plus tax, and after you convert it to Canadian dollars, because I live in Toronto, came to $407. And that was with a coupon code, because in Google I typed WWEshop coupon codes. I found one that gave 10% off, however the code does not apply to the plaques, just the accessories. So it winded up being an entire $12 in savings. Had it not been for the coupon code, the total would have been about $420. As in RVD, $420. So that's the first plaque, Evolution of the Undertaker. There are all the pictures. I'll get to the accessories. Austin sunglasses. It says Austin 316 on the back. Hope you can see it. They're black and blue. This is Undertaker cross pendant. And now to save the beast for last.
Nickel size hell and the damaging winds. We roll over New York, they ain't ever gonna let us back in. Well, we blew out the lights, we kicked the windows in, and when the law showed up, said they're gonna have to take us in. They're all scared of my music, terrified of my friends. They all run and take cover like a big storm's coming in. Better lock up your liquor and keep your women mean. Better find you a basement, it's the worst storm you ever seen. We're the nickel size hell and the damaging winds. We roll This my speed right here. I got something to say. Hey, Sonny, pass me that bottle of Jack, and if we're kicked out the front, we're coming in the back. To hell with all these outlaw wannabes and $1,000 boots and pretty boy jeans. If you ain't living, then don't you sing it. If you want trouble, then by God, bring it.
So I'm not sure if you noticed, but I have plaque number 2. I'm happy about that. I found out just as soon as you all did. My prediction for WrestleMania 31 is this. I made this. I didn't make this, but for the fan who did make this about 3 years ago, if you're watching, this was genius. Retarded genius. So, just as we hear every week Paul Heyman saying that he's the one behind the one in 21-1, I'm predicting that Sting will say that Sting can challenge the streak too. As in 21-2. So there you have it. At UFC 116, Brock Lesnar submits Shane Carwin, making him go 12-1, and now 4 years later, The Undertaker goes 21-1 after about 3 F5s.